In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play Minecraft Beta with your friends on mobile. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. All you have to do to play together in Minecraft Mobile is make sure everyone has the latest version installed of Minecraft. So go ahead, open up the Play Store or the App Store, and make sure that your app is up to date and running the latest version available. Afterwards, load into the game, select Play, and I recommend adding your friends first. You can do so by selecting the Friends tab, selecting Add Friend, and entering their gamer tag to properly add yourselves into each other's friends list. Once you have each other added, you can simply join a world, and inside of the world, at the right-sided menu, when you pause the game, you will have the option to invite anyone you have added inside Minecraft, and they will be able to join that specific world. If, for some reason, you do not see this menu, or they aren't able to join your world, as you can see here over at the right side of the screen, you can also consider buying a Realm subscription and uploading your world to a Realm. A Realm is a server that stays up and running 24/7, and both of you will be able to connect it on it as long as the server is running a world. I hope I was able to help you on how to play Minecraft Beta with your friends in mobile. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.